In this video, we will talk about the full health benefits of turmeric in our body. Today let us focus on Ayurveda process. Ayurveda, the ancient medical science, is based on the principle of preventing diseases. Ayurvedic medicine is one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems. It was developed more than 3,000 years ago in India. It's based on the belief that health and wellness depend on a delicate balance between the mind, body, and spirit. It directs us to resist the diseases through our food habits and lifestyles. Same principle was stressed by Hippocrates. Also, let your food be your medicine was his advice to mankind. Let's know more about a very well-known spice in Ayurveda yet not completely understood by common man. Over the last several years, there has been increasing interest in turmeric and its medicinal properties. But Ayurveda has immensely praised the medicinal qualities of turmeric, which finds its place in almost all Ayurvedic preparations related to liver and skin disorders. This herb has occupied the shelves of every Indian kitchen since 6,000 years and is considered as king of kitchen. It is used daily in cooking. Apart from cooking, it is also used as beauty aid and as a dye. Turmeric, Curcuma longa, belongs to Zingiberaceae family and is a perennial plant that grows 3 to 5 feet high in the tropical regions. In India it is grown all over, but specially in Bengal, Bombay and in Tamil Nadu. Ayurveda appreciates the medicinal qualities and color of turmeric. This is evident through the various names of turmeric specified in ancient texts of Ayurveda. Some of these are: Haridra, enhancer of body complexion. Kanchani, looks like gold. Nisha, imparts beauty by enhancing complexion which is as beautiful as full moon night. Gauri, yellow in color. Kramigni, works as an antibacterial and antihemanthic. Yoshit Priya, used in gynecological disorders. In Hindi, turmeric is known as haldi. The rhizomes or roots of this plant are used as medicine and for other purposes. The rhizomes are boiled, dried and then powdered. This powder is used for all purposes. The active chemical component of turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant and reduces inflammation by reducing histamine levels. Curcumin protects liver, reduces cholesterol, and prevents internal blood clotting, thus preventing heart attacks and liver tissue damages. Turmeric is very safe. But special precautions should be taken in persons who have gallstones, hyperacidity, stomach ulcers and obstructive jaundice. Ayurveda explains the qualities of turmeric as light and dry. It has pungent and bitter taste. It is widely used in skin, respiratory and liver disorders. It purifies blood and enhances complexion. Medicinal properties of turmeric plant and powder. Effects of turmeric on liver. Ayurveda has recommended this golden herb to purify blood and prevent it from clotting. It is extensively used to protect liver from toxins and microbial. Turmeric increases the secretion of bile, promotes free flow of bile. This herb can be used to overcome toxic effects of alcohol on liver. This reduces cholesterol and protects heart. Use of teaspoon of turmeric with warm water rejuvenates the liver and expels toxins out of it. On respiratory system. Turmeric is very effective in bronchitis, productive cough and asthma. 1 spoon of turmeric boiled in milk should be consumed with a spoon of pure ghee in conditions like bronchitis, asthma and productive cough. This gives very good relief and expectorates excessively produced mucus in lungs. On aging. The antioxidant properties of turmeric give us young looks and make us to feel young. It reduces inflammation in joints, protects the heart, reduces cholesterol and keeps us very healthy. On diabetes. It is widely used in Ayurvedic preparations for diabetes. It lowers the blood sugar and increases glucose metabolism. On uterus. It initiates regular menstrual cycle and reduces menstrual cramps. On skin. Blood nourishes the skin, and it is known fact that pure blood always keeps the skin glowing and radiant. Turmeric purifies blood, nourishes skin and gives it a healthy natural glow and radiance. A traditional face pack of India consists of gram flour, pure turmeric powder, milk and honey. This reduces inflammation of skin, smoothens it and prevents many skin ailments. On stomach and intestines. Turmeric enhances digestion, normalizes metabolism and expels intestinal parasites. On wounds, turmeric accelerates healing process and readily reduces pain and inflammation. Thick paste of turmeric applied on wounds acts as an excellent antibiotic and anti-inflammatory. On yogis. Turmeric purifies and cleans the body. It is a tailor-made herb for yogis. It increases the flexibility of muscles, reduces inflammation in muscles and joints, and helps to perform yoga with confidence and delight. Is it not a wonderful treasure which nature has stored for us in this golden herb? Now let us start a gold rush. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative video update. Please don't forget to like. Revelation chapter 22 verse 2. In the midst of the street of it, and on either side of the river, was there the tree of life, which bare 12 manner of fruits, and yielded her fruit every month, and the leaves of the tree were for the healing of the nations.